It's good they have a big wall between the cars and me. It's a lot of traffic in the city. I'm going the other side of the town. I don't know what that is. Riding almost some kind of highway or something, but they have a bike lane. That's nice. What is that? Just look at all of this junk. It's so much better. I'm checking out this park. Seems nice to ride. Whoa, bumpy road. I did more than 40 kilometers today with my one wheel. I guess it's time to catch a subway, which in this case is not a subway, but it's more like a tram. I'm gonna go back in the center, explore some subway stations that are supposed to be very nice, and most probably end it for today. I'm gonna continue tomorrow. It was a long day, but a nice one. Sure, I'm riding here. I can't walk anymore, it's late. So yeah, I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing. Riding a one wheel on the subway.
Kungsträdgården.
Riding on the subway. Sunday evening seems to be the less crowded place to do that. But let's go out. Second day in the city of Stockholm. Yesterday was fun. Today we're gonna have some more fun. Don't have a plan yet. I'm here till 5 p.m. Later I'm moving to Falun. Wait. Oh yes. Well, sadly that thing is closed. It's Boeing Monday today. I was down here. I think it's some kind of forbidden area, but I like exploring strange places, and this is one of them. What's that? Do you think we can get inside? Oh hell not, no way. This is some sketchy downhill ride. Whoa. Another interesting place down here. Wow, they actually pump out the water and they work on the boats inside. There's a gate at the end, you can see. So nice. And how about this tree? It's so important. Look how much support did they build just to keep it alive. That's nice. I'm exploring some kind of park here, which I don't know how to pronounce its name, so I'm gonna write it down when I'm gonna edit this. Looks nice. Back in the nature from the busy city. Another tree is saved here. What a beautiful country. Yes, this park is nice to ride. Except for the soft gravel. Some parts so soft I can barely ride. Oh, here's much better. Do I even have to comment this? Nope. Let's continue. And some more garbage. This park has some very nice old trees. I'm gonna continue a bit more, then I'm gonna cross the bridge and go back to the city on the other side of this park. There's really three of them. Oh yes, it is. Whoa. The bad thing of today is I checked out of the hostel, so I need to carry all of my stuff. Backpack, which is quite heavy. It's gonna drag my battery down, especially in hills. Hello officer, can you translate this to me please? Some more of the park trails. Not good. It's not even noon and I already made 15 kilometers. We'll see what the battery says, but it seems like I'm gonna soon need to stop somewhere for charging. I can go up to 30, but it depends on the roads. Back in the city, those old ships are so nice, and it's a lot of them. I just stopped in some Asian markets because they have power. Need to charge and we'll continue. The city is busy in this part of the town. I'm gonna move to some other areas. This seems to be a nice place to ride. I'm gonna try it out. Under the bridge skate park was very fun, but let's move on. It's another park here. I'll write down which area this is. I guess somebody's electric scooter is on fire. The plan is to cross on this bridge. Thing is, I wanted to visit a few museums, but it's Boeing Monday and everything's closed. There's some kind of channel with very nice wooden boats down here. doesn't want to stay with me. Why? Come on. A lot of rusty ships here. Even if there's construction zone, you have a bike lane. That's so nice. The question is, can I ride Stockholm's narrowest street? Not gonna be easy, but I'm gonna try. Next time, white stickers. I'm in front of a Swedish wooden horse museum, which is nothing special, but I'm almost out of battery and I'm hungry. Finding something cheap to eat will be a big challenge here. And it needs to have a power socket. Not gonna be easy. It's charging time in a nice restaurant. This ain't gonna be cheap. Just left the old city. The tiles there are so hard to ride and they consume a lot of battery. Yay, another park! Searching for the train to Falun. Should be train 48, that's track 11. Well, that's some old train. I hope they have power sockets. It's leaving in 14 minutes. Have to find the trailer, or how it's called, number 5. Oh, it's this one. See you in Falun.